So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to italicize text here in Design Wizard. So once you have Design Wizard open up on your device, what I want you to do is obviously add some text to it. So go to the left-hand side of your screen where it says Templates, My Items, Elements, and Text. Press on Text. Now once you're here, you can press on Add a Heading, add a subheading, or add a paragraph. We're just going to go ahead for demonstration purposes on Add a Heading. So once that is done, what I will do actually is I will make this text a little bit larger and I'll drag it more so in the middle so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, once you have it where you want it to be or you have whatever written down, press on the text. You can either highlight it if you want, or you can just press on the text, the entire thing. Go to this top bar, go to this option right here that says italic, so right in between underline and bold, press on italic, and if you press on italic, it makes the text italicized. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can italicize text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.